Ngekusho ke kwasomabhizinisi ke Mubaraka uthi nabo ke bathola icingo namhla ekuseni nakushaya yona ke insimbi yesibili leqhamuka kuwo ke emaphoyisa eMbube kanti uthi bebakade ke babatisa ukuthi ke sitolo sabo ke lokuyimuphu cellular sesivele ke sisemalangebini kanti bathi abathi ukuthi ngubani ke lona ke lo wende umonakalo kodwa uthi uyasola ukuthi ngaphambilini ke kushise laba ke bekunene ke bacale bangena lapha ngikhathi ngoba nesivalo siyakutshengisa lokho kanti uthi futhi kuyabonakala ukuthi tikhona ke futhi ke letinye ke tincingo letishodako noma ngabe ke futhi konke ke kushile lapha ngikhathi kodwa nalikhona liphawu lokuthi letinye ke timpahla tiyashoda lapha ngikhathi.
There was a call from the cops. They called one of my friends and then he called us. This was at around 2 o'clock that the shop was burning. So we quickly got here. When I got here, I found the fire people and the cops. They were already here. The door was already broken, and they were putting the fire off. And then we got the guys that they also came over, and then we started inspecting. We opened the shop here, also checkers, and there was a lot of smoke. And everywhere when we went upstairs in the office, everywhere there was a lot of smoke. But there was no fire in the shop, so we opened the doors, everything, and we let the fire people put the fire off. That's it. And then the guys are still estimating what the damage is. Everything is burnt. In the cell phone area, all the cell phones, all the accessories, everything has been burnt down. We don't know what the cause of the fire is yet, but I think we need to find out from the cops whether the door was open or it was closed when they got here. So it could have been somebody maybe tried to open it. They took some of the phones because some of the phones look like they're missing. Some stuff is missing and the rest of the stuff is burnt out. So we still need to find out now.
So you don't have a security at night?
There was security. I think the security was at the back because he moves around, the front and the back. But the other securities, I think, are the ones that called. There must be one security that called the cops.
So yeah. Maybe in terms of investment, how will this will affect the businesses in the sorting, including yours?
Well, it will affect. I mean, it's a big loss. It's a big trauma as well. And I think in terms of loss, I think there's thousands, up to 100,000, maybe more than 100,000 also that has been burnt down.
Losomabhizinisi uthi le mpahla lelahlekile yiningi kakhulu uthi bangayilinganisela 100,000 emalangeni impahla leshile kulesa sitolo. Etindzabeni temsakato iMaswati channel ngingeri Carlos ngina Justice Dlamini sikamanzini.